In today's video, I am going to teach you how to test a multi-use payment link in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already signed into your Stripe dashboard and working in the correct Stripe account. Once you are in the right account, switch to the sandbox environment that you want to use for testing. It is important to confirm that you are viewing sandbox data so that your test purchases do not affect any live payments. Next, look at the menu on the left side of the dashboard and click Payment Links. This will show you the payment links available in your sandbox environment. Find the multi-use payment link that you want to test. Then click on it to open the details page for that link. On the details page, click Open Payment Page. This will launch the Stripe-hosted checkout page for that payment link. In the checkout form, enter the required test customer information. When you reach the card number field, use Stripe's standard successful test Visa number 4242, 4242. Then enter any valid future expiration date, any valid 3-digit CVC, and a zip or postal code if the form asks for one. After that, click Pay to complete the first test transaction. Wait for Stripe to process the payment and show the confirmation page. Once that first payment is complete, open the same payment link again in a new browser tab. This is how you confirm that the link can be used more than once. Fill out the checkout form again with test customer information and another Stripe test payment method. Then click Pay to submit the second test transaction. Wait for the second payment to process successfully as well. Now go back to your Stripe dashboard, making sure you stay in the same sandbox environment. From there, open Transactions and then go to Payments. Look for the 2 test payments you just created and confirm that both of them were processed successfully. To finish the test, open each payment record and verify that both transactions are connected to the same payment link. If both payments appear successfully and both are tied to that one link, your test confirms that the Stripe multi-use payment link can accept multiple successful payments. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.